Hello, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch our video. My name is Laura.
And my name's Kristen.
We want to share some healthy and delicious meal prep ideas for busy families. In 2019, around 37,500 people were fed through the WAFER food package programming, and 1 in 3 of them were under 18 years old. WAFER serves around 1,500 families, and for those 1,500 families, this video is for you. So along with this video, you get a handout of all the recipes that we demonstrate, as well as their nutrition labels. We also created a takeaway sheet for you to follow along as you watch our video. So here is a quick outline of this video. We will begin by defining meal prep and how it can save time and money for busy families. Then we will make our first recipe, which is overnight oats. After that demonstration, we will review why family meals are crucial for child development and overall family success. Next, I will demonstrate how to make easy falafels you can prepare with the whole family. Last but not least, Kristen will talk about how planning your meals will save you money in the long run. Our last recipe is a healthy yogurt cereal bar that you can snack on throughout the week. We hope you will enjoy these recipes and share these tips with your whole family.
So I'm going to be talking a little bit about what meal prep is. So meal prep is where you set aside normally one day and kind of plan out and prep the meals that you're going to have for a set amount of days. Normally people choose to do their meal prep on Sunday and prep the meals that they're going to have throughout the week. This can be very helpful for busy families that have a hard time planning out meals and are short on time for making meals throughout the week. Meal prepping can help with grocery shopping because you have all the meals planned out for that week, and so you know exactly what you need to buy for your meals that week. It can also help families that find themselves with little to no time to cook during the night due to work or sporting events or homework, etc. Also help families that are on the go. In addition, it helps families that find themselves always struggling with what to decide to eat each meal. When you meal prep, everything is all planned out, so there is no struggling with deciding what to eat. Meal prepping can also help lower food waste because you're not wasting any food as it's prepped throughout the whole week and there's normally not leftovers. In order to incorporate meal prepping into your weekly routine, you should set aside one day a week, like I said, normally people do Sunday, and make the meals that you're going to be eating that week. So first up is the overnight oats. So in a small bowl, combine 1/3 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1/2 cup of milk. You can then top with some fruit, cinnamon, honey, or any other additional ingredients you may want to put in your oats. Then just put the lid on the mason jar and place in the fridge until consumption.
So you may be thinking, our family is just too busy to meal prep or have family dinners. Whether it's lack of time, energy, or interest in family meals, we want this video to inspire you to incorporate family meals and meal prepping in your routine. Kids who grow up having family dinners tend to be healthier when they grow up. They have been seen to have less chance of obesity, cardiovascular disease, and lower risk for mental health conditions. Regular family dinners are also associated with lower rates of depression and anxiety, substance abuse, and eating disorders, as well as tobacco use and early teenage pregnancy. They also have been shown to have higher rates of resilience and higher self-esteem. So 5 meals a week is kind of like the threshold for getting these great benefits of family meals. However, starting out with 1 or 2 and then building on top of that is just as beneficial to your family. It doesn't even have to be dinner. Some families find it much easier to have breakfast together, or weekend brunches, or even a late night snack. If you think about it, there are 16 opportunities to have family dinners. There are 7 breakfasts, 7 dinners, and 2 weekend lunches. Any of those could count. Now that you know the benefits of family dinners and how easy it can be, I hope that you incorporate this into your own family routine. Next, we are going to make the flavorful falafels. Begin by draining a 16-ounce can of chickpeas, and then mash those chickpeas with a fork. You can either put it in a bowl or a pan like we did. To those chickpeas, add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 cups of chopped onion, 1.5 cups chopped parsley, 5 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. Mix everything together until fully incorporated, and then set in the fridge for 1 hour. Once it's cool, let the kids help scoop out 2 tablespoons worth and form them into discs. Next, heat a layer of olive oil in a skillet on medium-high heat. Cook the falafels for 2 to 3 minutes on each side in the skillet. Once you're all done, you can serve your falafels on whole grain toast or bread. Put it on top of a salad or dip into your favorite dressing.
There are a lot of benefits to meal prepping, but one of the biggest ones is how much money it saves you. Meal prepping can save families a large amount of money, and this is due to a few different reasons. First, it prevents families from eating out all the time. They're less likely to go out and get fast food or pizzas, etc., because their meals are already made and ready to go for the week. Families are also able to plan out grocery trips so they can look for coupons or deals and kind of plan their meals for the week around those savings. The average cost of a meal prep is only $6 per meal. So if you think about it, this is much cheaper than going out to eat every day or buying pre-made or frozen meals. So this is another big benefit of meal prepping. I hope this convinces you to meal prep more often. So lastly, we have the yogurt cereal bars. So first up, in a large bowl, combine 1.5 cups Rice Krispies, 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which is optional, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 cup nuts. You can use almonds, peanuts, walnuts, etc. Then you're going to want to mix all the ingredients together. Then in a microwave safe bowl, mix 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of honey, and you'll want to microwave this for 30 seconds to 1 minute until it's melted completely. Add the honey mixture to the dry oat mixture and mix until everything is combined. Then add the dried fruit, such as raisins, cranberries, or blueberries. You'll then want to pour into a pan and flatten out and place in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. Then in a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey, and then a pinch of salt. And you'll want to microwave this for 15 seconds, stir, and then microwave again until the yogurt is warm. 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll then mix in the gelatin. Cut the cereal bars into rectangles after being taken out of the freezer. And set on a baking sheet or plate like we did. Then you'll want to drizzle or dip the yogurt mixture onto the rectangles. Let the bars sit in the refrigerator uncovered overnight until the yogurt is dry to the touch.